Hi, this is an unboxing and product review of the DJ Effect Mushroom Light Effect. This particular one is branded by Hybrid. Okay, just quickly, just give me an idea. This is very light. I mean, it's less than 50 grams. That's 38, 39 grams. And it's quite small in size. You look at that, the top is about 16 centimeters and the width, you're looking at about 18 centimeters in width. Right, just having a closer look, you've got your kettle type plug with a fuse, there you go, and then your country specific plug top. The DMX control is over here. You can see this happens to be a 3-pin XLR, and you can daisy chain, so you can come in and go out. This particular unit uses 18 watts. It is LED. There's the bottom. All right, on the front, you've got menu, up, down, enter, and a microphone for the sound to light function. I'm going to go through these. I'm going to show you the different effects. But first, I'll just like show you what's inside. Really, you're just getting about 5 or so high-bright LEDs, color-coded, and a little servo motor, which turns according to the control unit. Alright, just showing you inside if you're interested. There we go. Alright, so here you see the LEDs. So you've got 3, 4, 5, so it's 6 LEDs in a pyramid formation. And there you see the little regulator, so the power comes in, it's regulated, feeding these LEDs. There's a little servo motor, and there is a little control board to control it. Alright, so with the use of LEDs, it's energy efficient, so it's only requiring 18 watts. And you can see this is a very plasticky, kind of your entry level DJ effect. If you have a look at the bulb here, there you can see also plastic, it's not glass, and there are the lens type little dappled effect here. Alright, so there you can see, I'm just showing it to you when it's working, and you can set it to sound to light. You can set, there's many various options available to know how you set it, and I'll go through them one by one, but right now I'm going to close it and show you it working. Alright, to get started here, you're just going to plug it in. There we go. I'm not going to use the DMX controller. I'm just going to show you the different options, and then I'll also show you how it looks in the nighttime. Right, I'm now 8 meters away from the Mushroom DJ Effect light, and you can see the effect is quite considerable. If I show you the roof a little bit. Right, the roof ranges from 4 to about 7 meters high, and you can see the effect is still pretty strong even at the highest point on the roof. Okay, so usually the DJ would have it towards the side, so that's why I've positioned the mushroom towards the side of the entertainment area. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could actually hang it and face it down, but I'm just showing you as though it was facing up. It's totally up to you. You would also get a good effect if it was hanging on something on the ceiling facing down. If you are going to position it on a table, just keep in mind that every now and then it will shine in your eye as that motorized tray moves around. Right, on the front panel, I'm going to press the menu button. You can see it says A6, A7, and you can see sound 1, 2, and then it goes to A1. So each one of these sub-menus means something. You can see, and the mushroom is actually doing different things, right? So just looking at A1, so the A001, this will be your automatic, your DMX control. So let's go A1. Now you can see it's on A18. Now if I go up or down, you can see that it's doing different things with the red. So if you have a look, this is called the red speed. So you can adjust the red speed. You see like number 9, that's the fastest. You can see, look at the wall there. And if you put it to 1, look at that, you see? So that's A1 is your red speed. Now if I go to A2, this is your green speed. And again, same principle. If you look at that, 9 being the fastest. All right, so let's just put it on 1, and then your 3, that is your blue speed, and there you can see same principle. I can go up or down, as you can see. Now let's put it all on 1. Now when I go to A4, this is called the 7 colors jump mode, and again you can adjust the speed. See, if you want it fast, 9 being the fastest. So this is the 7-color jump mode. So it's going to basically go in an sequence of all the colors, and it jumps through each color one by one. Now if you go to A5, this is jump mode, but a slightly different effect. And now if you go to 6, then you can see that this is called the 7 colors fading. So now it's not as strobe-like. And then again, you can adjust your motor speed. See, look, if I go to number 9, that's the fastest. If you go one up, there we go. There we go, A6. All right. If you look at the number 7, this is your flash mode. You can see all the colors on, but in a flash, and then you can also go up or down, and then you can see how that strobe effect is getting more frequent. And then now we're coming to sound mode. This is 7 colors flashing, but it is flash changing. So I'll show you. Right, and now if we go to the next one, sound 2. Right, now there is an enter button here on the side, and if you press and hold it for 5 seconds, it goes into a current adjustment mode. You can see that it says red LED, and you can adjust the current. Now, see there, you can adjust between 0 and 99, and then you can press enter when you're happy with it. And then you can also go to the blue, the red, and the green. So you can adjust the current for each of these colors. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it on the default. Right, if you want to mount this on a wall, you see there are screw holes there, so you can hang it or you can just put it on your desk. Okay, to sum up, these are the specifications which you can have a look at. Overall, this light is very effective. This is a very budget light. It comes in at a cheap price. I find this light very useful. It is not overpowering. You could even cover a portion of it if it is shining in people's eyes. Easy to use, easy to mount, and the thing I like about it the most is once you've set it, if you switch it off and you switch it back on, it goes back to the last setting that you had set. So you don't have to go and re-choose your rate and the program that you've chosen. Alright, so thanks for watching and cheers.